What's up, everybody? Jay here with another Lightning Race. Today we're racing a bunch of Corvettes. Let's take a look at today's racers. The racers are lined up on the starting grid. Top two from each group moves on to the semifinals. On your mark, get set, go! And the Corvette C6R is moving on. Let's see who else from Group 1 moves on with it. Racers are lined up. On your mark, get set, go! And the blue Corvette C7R is moving on. Let's get to the track with group number 2. Group number 2 is lined up and ready to go. On your mark, get set, go! And the custom Redline Corvette is moving on. The remaining cars are lined up to grab that final spot in the semifinals. On your mark, get set, go! And the 55 Corvette will move on to take on the custom Corvette. Let's get to the semifinals. Up first in the semifinals, we got the Corvette C6R taking on the Corvette C7R. On your mark, get set, go! And the C7R is moving on to the final. The second race of the semifinals, we got that old Redline Custom Corvette taking on the 55 Corvette. On your mark, get set, go! And the custom Corvette will be taking on the C7R in the final. One race to determine which Corvette rules them all. Both Corvettes are lined up. On your mark, get set, go! Go! And the custom Corvette is today's winner, proving that you just can't count these old cars out. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, hit the bell icon in the corner for notifications, and as always, we'll see you in the winner's circle.